East Norwich, NY Pressure Washing. If you're looking for professional pressure washing services in East Norwich, New York, this video will help you evaluate experts, what separates the top pros from the rest, and what to watch out for before hiring a contractor. East Norwich residents trust Benny's Property Services for superior property care. We pride ourselves on restoring curb appeal, safely removing unsightly black and green stains like algae and mold from your siding, roofing, and patios. Your property value is our priority. Our deep understanding of East Norwich's unique climate challenges ensures tailored solutions for every home. We know how local weather contributes to common stains, providing effective cleaning that lasts. We focus on protecting your investment. Serving East Norwich homes with dedication, our team applies specialized techniques proven effective in this community. We address specific local issues, from mildewed fences to grimy decks, enhancing every corner of your property with precision. Meticulous care defines every project we undertake. We employ a soft washing process, using low pressure combined with a specialized cleaning solution. This ensures a thorough clean for vinyl siding and PVC fencing without any risk of surface damage. Years of experience in property services guide our expert approach. Our skilled technicians are trained in the latest soft washing methods, guaranteeing gentle yet powerful cleaning for even the most delicate asphalt shingle roofs in East Norwich. Our certified professionals bring unparalleled skill to every task. With precise application, we ensure your vinyl siding, PVC fencing, and asphalt shingles are cleaned flawlessly, preserving their integrity and extending their lifespan beautifully. We believe in delivering results that speak for themselves. Our advanced cleaning solution is mixed with a unique foaming additive. This allows it to cling longer to vertical and angled surfaces, ensuring a deeper, more even, and immaculate clean every time. Only the highest quality, specially formulated cleaning agents are used in our process. The foaming additive enhances contact time, dissolving years of buildup and leaving surfaces remarkably spotless across your East Norwich property. Every project is managed with precision from start to finish. Our systematic approach, utilizing the clinging foam solution, ensures no spot is missed, delivering consistent, superior results on all surfaces, from patios to tall siding. Our streamlined cleaning process is designed for maximum effectiveness. The specialized formula meticulously targets biological growth and parasitic dirt and grime, achieving exceptional cleanliness while being completely safe for your nearby plants and landscaping. We understand your busy life in East Norwich. Our flexible scheduling options are designed to work around your timetable, ensuring convenience without compromise. We aim to complete projects efficiently, respecting your time and property. Clear communication is paramount throughout your service journey. We provide comprehensive updates, addressing any questions you may have. Our commitment to safety extends to all operations, protecting your home and surrounding environment. As a licensed local company, we offer competitive pricing and free quotes for any job, big or small. Our no job is too complex mindset ensures every East Norwich homeowner receives top-tier service tailored to their unique needs. Every project is unique, but customers who understand how pressure washing experts operate in East Norwich, New York, tend to have better experiences and results. If you're looking for the right pressure washing specialist in East Norwich, New York, bennyspropertyservices.com can help you based on your specific needs. Click the link below to learn more.